Have you ever wondered how a desert could become a floodplain overnight? Welcome to the paradox of the United Arab Emirates, a nation known for its scorching heat and sandy landscapes, which recently witnessed its heaviest deluge in 75 years. It all started as a typical day in the UAE, but then, without warning, the heavens opened up. In less than 24 hours, some areas recorded more than 250 millimeters of rain. The streets of Dubai, a bustling tourist destination, were soon flooded, palm trees uprooted, and building facades shattered. The rainfall was so intense that it exceeded the city's average annual rainfall in a single day. Unprecedented and quite surreal, especially when you consider that this amount of rain is usually what Dubai sees in an entire year. The rain fell so heavily and so quickly that motorists were forced to abandon their vehicles as floodwaters rose and roads turned into rivers. But what was the cause of this extreme weather event? It wasn't just a freak occurrence. This was part of a larger storm system traversing the Arabian Peninsula, moving across the Gulf of Oman and bringing unusually wet weather to nearby Oman and southeastern Iran. And there's another factor at play: climate change. As our atmosphere warms due to human-driven climate change, extreme weather events like this are becoming more common. A warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture, leading to heavier rainfall and, as we've seen in the UAE, catastrophic flooding. But let's not forget about the role of cloud seeding, a controversial practice aimed at inducing rain. While the UAE authorities have used this method to address water scarcity, critics question its environmental and health impacts. Despite these concerns, the practice continues, with the recent torrential rains linked to the UAE's cloud seeding operations. So, what can we learn from this event? First, climate change is intensifying extreme weather events globally. Second, practices like cloud seeding may have unintended consequences. And finally, even in places known for their heat and dryness, the threat of flooding is very real. In conclusion, the recent flooding in the UAE paints a stark picture of our changing climate. We're living in an era of extremes where the unexpected is becoming the norm. And as we continue to grapple with the impacts of climate change, the need for sustainable solutions has never been more urgent.